Welcome back to the Bavarian Inn Lodge, everyone, and I have some good news to share. As I have got my hands on a new Bavarian Blast t-shirt. My total was $26.49 for the t-shirt alone, and they're sold in Michael's gift shop in the Fun Center, which is right by the Ratskeller. So right here is Michael's Toys and Treasures by the mini golf course in the Ratskeller. And then going to the Ratskeller, there's something new as well that I have to share. And that new thing is that there's white scrim walls in the Ratskeller here too. It's not just over at the new spot. There's some stuff over here too. It's a good sign of what's to come. Over in the new redemption area and arcade area, it doesn't look like much has changed. So some of the events Bavarian Inn has going on is the River Place Holiday Hot Cocoa Crawl. Enjoy a stroll through the charming shops of River Place while sipping hot cocoa along the way. A $2 entry, you can vote for the best cocoa, letters to Santa, upgrade your cocoa crawl experience with premium enhancements. And then there's Build Your Own Donuts and Cookies in the Fun Center by Emily E's, which is where I just was in that same area, right by the Redemption Center. So before the new water park opens, I want to tell you a lot about the old water park they have right here. So they have a smaller, central pool that's been there for a while, I believe since the 90s actually. And then they have a hot tub next to that. And then over past that glass, they have a kiddie pool, 2 water slides called the Bavarian Blast and a Tower Twister. The Tower Twister is 48 inches to ride. The Bavarian Blast is 48 inches to ride as well, but the Bavarian Blast is a tube slide that can fit 2 people, but it's not to be confused with the new water park opening, also called Bavarian Blast. So for people wondering about day passes at the new water park, there will be day passes available, similar to what Splash Village has with their water park. Alright, now I'm back out by the water park, and it doesn't look like much has changed from the outside. Although these things here, these look like they're like the heating unit of some sort. They'll probably go on the ceiling. Alright, and they've also opened the gate to construction vehicles a little bit, which allows us to get a view of the indoor-outdoor pool. That's gonna look good. And through that crack right there, you can see the stairs that go up to all the big water slides. So the slides on screen right there are going to be part of the toddler area coming to the water park. And just peeking through a little bit, there's the outdoor pool. Alright, another thing that's different from last time is that this window here has gotten some stain on it a little bit. Some purple and some blue stain. Water slides, nothing much has changed. It's still the same from last time. That bricking has come along pretty well. Here's a back view of some of those water slides for a reference. Alright, now looking on the back of the water park, almost all the glass is in on the back. And looking on the ceiling, it looks like the heating units are starting to be installed. Alright, future me here. So, I was at the Ratskeller earlier in the video, and I talked to the employee that was working there, and he said that within the next few weeks, the mini bowling and the ropes course are going to open. And the target date for the water park opening is December 20th. That's going to be it for this one. Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And as always, sub for more content.